reception, it's time to order our numbers just before we start our maths lesson. Tell me, what comes first? Yes, number 1. What comes next? Well done, number 2. What is 1 more than 2? Yes, number 3. What is 1 more than 3? What comes after 3? Yes, number 4. We know all these numbers now. We're really good at it. What comes after number 4? You got it, number 5. And what is 1 more than 5? Yes, 6. What comes after number 6? You're right, across the sky, down from heaven. That's the way we make a 7. We've got 3 numbers left. I wonder what number comes after 7. Yes, 1 more than 7 is 8, so that comes after 7. Then comes number 9. And finally, our number of the day, which is 10. That is the number we're going to be learning. And we're going to practice writing the number 10 again. Remember, the number 10 has a number 1 and it has a 0, okay? So, I'm going to write it and then you're going to write it. Watch me. Number 1 and number 0, and together that makes the number 10. Pause the video, write the number 10 times, please. Pause the video. Well done. I hope you wrote the number 10 times. Fantastic. Children, in your workbook today, you should have a sheet that looks like this. And we're going to use this sheet during our maths lesson today. And it says we're going to colour in 10 squares on the 20 frame. Okay, this is called a 20 frame. And we're going to colour in 10 of the squares because 10 is the number of the day. First I'm going to do it, and then I'm going to tell you what you have to do. But we must make sure that we do really careful counting. We don't do more than 10. We don't colour less than 10. We only colour 10. So 10 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I must remember to stop at 10. Now, let's count to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have coloured all my squares on this side. Now it's your turn. Can you count 10 squares and colour them? Only on the first one. I will tell you what I want you to do on the next ones. Pause the video, colour 10 squares, just like me. Well done. I hope you coloured your 10 squares on your 20 frame. This time, I still want you to colour 10 squares, but I want you to colour them in a different way. Let me show you how I might do my 10 squares this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that looks a little bit different this time, but it's still 10 squares. Let's count to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've still coloured 10 squares, just like the one before, but it just looks a little bit different. You can colour 10 squares just like me, or if you can think of a different way to colour 10 squares, you can do that too on the second one. And then after you do that, why don't you think of another way to colour 10 squares? I want 3 different ways, but I still want you to colour 10 squares. How many? 10. Good job. Pause the video, finish your worksheet. How many ways? How many different ways can you colour 10 squares? Have a go. Well done. So, just to finish our maths lesson today, have a look at the 10 squares. Oh, have a look at the squares. Maybe it's not 10. Has Miss Butler coloured 10 squares? Pause the video. Have a think. Have I coloured 10 squares? No, I haven't coloured 10 squares. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do I need to do to colour 10? Yes, I need to add one more square to colour 10. Silly me. Now I've coloured 10. I must remember to count again to make sure that I've definitely coloured 10. Well done, everybody. You've done a good job today. What I would like you to do now is, on a piece of paper, I'm going to get my whiteboard. On a piece of paper or on your whiteboard, I would like you to practice, now that we have learned all of the numbers to 10, I would like you to practice all of your numbers all the way up to 10. I want you to make sure that all the numbers are the right way around, okay? Make sure you form them correctly. Make sure they are the right way around. We've got the laminated sheets that you can practice on, but I want you to practice writing them all by yourself to make sure that you know how to write them the right way around, okay? Have a go. I'll see you again next week. Bye.